Hey guys, welcome back to Car Mods Are Us. So as you can see, we are doing some loom work. Look at that mess. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you guys how to clean this up, make it look slightly more tidy by putting a nice sleeve over it. So don't worry about that one, we'll concentrate on this one. Okay, so first step I did is I removed all the plugs, leave you with nice sections of wires. Next thing I did is I laid the loom out on the car and taped off, cable tied off all my spreads, so everywhere the loom spreads away from each other, like there. And also make sure you find your power cables, because that we'll do later on. So this here is a loom for Link G4 Plus Storm Black, I think. It's my new upgrade for my car, because ECU is everything. So we got a bunch of different sizes of these to suit the cables. You'd need this, which I just bought off AliExpress. It's sprayed, you can stretch, shrink, everything, so it's awesome stuff to work with, but really time consuming. Okay, so how you do this is take your cable, clean up your end. Why is this scissors so shit? Okay, give it a quick touch with a lighter. Make sure you don't burn them together. And then put one end I normally go about 20 mil from the end where you want to stop, so that's where I want to stop, about 20 mil. Stretch them together, that's where I want to end, and come 20 mil in, and then cut it there, because obviously you can't cut it on the wire, so you need to make all these touch, clean up. Okay, so one wire up through just to get it started, and open that right up, right in there, just stick it in there, and bring the next one in. Now sometimes they'll get stuck, but just back off a bit and then restart. So if you do that,
I'm getting high as fuck to this. Tripping niggas. Gonna speak some real shit though. Let's get it. Here we go. I looked in the mirror today. I seen the realest nigga I ever met in my life.
okay, now next step will be putting some heat shrink on it. Find a suitable size for it. I just got a kit with heaps of different sizes in it. I think that size looks good. Check it with the wire. It's probably not right. Let's have a quick look. Really push those together. This is probably the hardest part. Stick it over. Take it right to the end. Get your 20mm there. Put that on. Have a look. Yeah, that's enough to play around with. Maybe give us a little bit more. Take your lighter or whatever you use to shrink your heat shrink. Make sure it's positioned properly. Try not to get it on the actual wire cover, because otherwise you might damage it. Heat shrink it as much as you can. Nice and tidy. Okay, now what you do is wait for that to cool down a bit, and then you work this all the way down that way, and then it's nice and tidy. So now, next one. Squeeze it together. Stick it, go past, and then come back. So leave a nice space there, because you need to get those back into the plugs. Give it some nice or flat. And voila, there you go. Nice and tidy compared to that. It's very time consuming, but in the end it looks great. So enjoy.
Don't laugh, bitch. Niggas out here try to test me. I put the AK where chest be. Don't fight with hoes, don't fight with niggas. No security, bitch, so don't test me. Double cup full, I be sipping up. Mob niggas, man, real criminals. When a nigga find you, they gon' hit you up. With a bit lat chopper, then split you up. All these hoes be jocking trying to get with us. They gon' swallow this nut, no spitting up. Yo niggas get murked, yo niggas in jail. My team getting money, stay full of drugs.
What's from all these niggas and they feelings, man? All of this and I'm still the man. Thought of this when I was just a fan, but all this money wasn't in the plan. Now it's all about them Benjamins, ballin' hard and you in the stands. All this money, I'm a businessman. Out of all these niggas, I'm the realest man.
What's with all these niggas and they feelings, man? All of this and I'm still the man. Thought of this when I was just a fan, but all this money wasn't in the plan. Now it's all about them Benjamins, ballin' hard and you in the stands. All this money, I'm a businessman. Out of all these niggas, I'm the realest man. 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 I'm the realest man.
And there you go. There's the end result of tidying up a loom. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're after something like this, go on AliExpress and search up braid wire sleeve. That's what I did. It's cheap, paid about $11 for all that I've used tonight, and that's US. And next up we'll be wiring this into the car. So keep posted, give us a thumbs up, and see ya. Happy Movember.